Young man, your entire compound is surrounded. Let me advise you, don't try to play smart. You see, those your 4 boys pressing laptop at your sitting room, my men have taken them to the car. They were chatting with white women. And when I searched you, inside your wallet, I found 79 SIM cards of different networks. You have been caught red-handed. Just follow me gently to the vehicle. Let me take you to the police station for interrogation. Any funny move from you, you will be dealt with brutally. When you hear of Inspector Scorpion, I'm the one who don't joke with me. I sting. My venom is very, very dangerous. So arrange yourself, couple yourself and move it.
Baby, what is happening here? Hey, this man is accusing you. I thought you told me that you were a banker. You work in the bank. That's why you're always with laptop. Me, I don't understand what is going on here.
You be mumu.
Mama, shut up your mouth. How can I tell you that I'm a banker and you will believe me? Is this how bankers look like?
He shock you.
Look at this idiot. Madam, please just keep your mouth shut. It is because of the pressure that you young ladies of nowadays put on young men that is driving majority of them to internet fraud. Saying you thought he was a banker. Is this what bankers look like? How many bankers do you see that plait their hair, tattoo their body, wear gold chain all around? How many bankers can afford to rent apartments in this part of the city? How many bankers drive the kind of exotic cars that this young man has? How many bankers can afford to buy you all the luxury things that you have as a boyfriend? You are here pretending. Don't provoke me. Let me focus on the criminal I am here to apprehend. Nonsense. And if you don't take care, I might even arrest you alongside him. Just stay out of this matter. Nonsense.
Sorry.
Officer, I understand what is going on. I understand, and I am not pretending. Please, let me just give you $2,000 right now so that you can leave. Release my boys so that we can cancel this case. Please, I'm begging you.
You are just complicating matters for yourself. Not all policemen are corrupt, and I'm going to prove it to you today. See, follow me gently to the car. Let us go to the police station. I'll take your statement. Get yourself a very good lawyer, because I can guarantee you that this matter would be charged to court.
Officer, I know you're doing your job. The way you are driving very fast. It's like you mean it. You are taking me to the station. Please. Okay. I'll give you $5,000 right now. I have it in my pocket. Please, just park this car and drop me off. Drop me and my guys, please.
Young man, if you like, offer me $50,000. You will be interrogated and your matter will be charged to court. You think all policemen are corrupt and collect bribe? You see those your 4 men at the back of the vehicle? They are getting VIP treatment there. Just leave them alone. I will personally interrogate you and my men will interrogate your men. Your matter should be in court within the next 48 hours, trust me. Now that we are here, I'm in a very good mood, so I'm going to be asking the questions and I want you to be giving me answers, Don't complicate matters for yourself. I do not have to rough handle you. If I rough handle you, my friend, you will not like it. You see your skin, that is fine. 5 minutes of rough handling, you will look like somebody that they poured acid on. I know you don't want that, you can hear the cries of your fellow criminals. My boys are dealing with them. I don't want to do that with you. So let me just ask you questions. Give me your answers, and that is all. Let us be very, very civil here. What is your name? Tell me your name.
They call me Sinzu Arab Money, aka Kapa Chumari Mari Chupaku.
Oto, not be juju be that.
Oh God have mercy. Who gave you that name or those names?
Officer, the street gave me.
You be mumu.
Can you imagine? Your parents gave birth to you, but it was the streets that gave you a name. Anyways, what do you do for a living? Bear in mind that this conversation is being recorded for reference purposes, okay? What is your occupation?
Baba, shey you dey whine me ni? You already know now. You came to my house, you saw things and things and things. You are still asking me what I do. I do street.
Young man, you will speak to me in clear terms. What do you mean by you do street?
Baba, you understand now. I do street. G guy, I'm a G guy. I do internet fraud. Yes, I'm a Yahoo boy.
Oh, mumu not too much.
Okay, so in other words, you are a thief, right?
Baba, me, I'm not a thief. I'm not a thief. My own is brain work. I don't force people to give me their money. Thieves and armed robbers, they force people to give their money. Me, you will give me your money deliberately, voluntarily. I will just give you my format. I give you my strategy. Only you will by yourself put hand in your pocket and give me your money. So that is the difference.
Well, fair enough. Why do you have 79 SIM cards in your wallet?
Officer, why are you asking this kind of question now? Every workman has his tools. A carpenter will use hammer. Electrician will use screwdriver. Mechanic will use spanner. Those SIM cards, they are my tools. Those are my tools for my work. Baba, I do what we call wire. Wire is also called SIM transaction. So SIM transaction is called local wire. Any alert SIM I come across with any bank, I can work on it and do transaction on it. I can withdraw, recharge, and even get a loan on it.
Wow, wonderful. Now, explain to me, how do you do it in detail?
Baba wants to use style to learn work. Anyway, this is interrogation. Okay. If I'm given an alert SIM, I'll press *425 *100#. This will show the bank the owner of the SIM is using. If the bank is Access Bank, then I'll dial *901 *00#. It will show the account balance of the person. If I want to reset the PIN, it will ask for the account number of the person and the date of birth.
Wow, interesting. So, how will you know the account number and the date of birth of the person?
My brother, a lot of people are very, very gullible. The account number, some do save it on their contacts and some don't. So if I see the account number on the contact, I will use the person's BVN to bring out all their details. And in a case where they did not save their account number on their contact list, all you need to do is look for their mobile bank application on their phone. Mobile bank application, the moment you tap it open, the account number associated with that mobile bank app is already available there. The only thing you are always asked to provide is the login PIN. So from their mobile bank application, you can already see their account number from there. So you just pick it there and you proceed with the rest of the process.
Really? So, how will you get someone's details through their BVN?
That's very easy. I'll simply dial *565 *0#. So when all the details are reviewed, I'll now register with the bank of the person involved and I can carry out my transfers.
Oh, so you will change the PIN of the person, right?
Baba, you are catching up very fast. If not that you are a police officer, I would have suggested that you give Yahoo a chance. Yes, I will change the person's PIN, I will input account number and date of birth, then it will prompt me to create PIN. Then That's the PIN I'll be using to do transfer.
What if there's no money in the account?
Well, if it's a salary account, when there's no money in the account, I can use it to collect a loan.
Interesting. What's the maximum amount of loan you can borrow?
There are some that are 15,000, some 20,000, others 5,000 naira loans.
Can you operate with any other SIM apart from SIM used in receiving bank alerts?
No, it's only SIM used in receiving alerts. No matter how hard the code may be, I'll break it if it's used to receive alerts. I've done some demonstration here too.
So you mean if I gave you my SIM used in receiving bank alerts now, you can do anything with it?
Baba, don't doubt me. Oh, yes, I can do any transaction with it.
Where will you transfer the money to?
I do open a no trace account. I'll transfer it to that account. We call it AZA.
How do you open such accounts and how can you transfer into such accounts? Explain.
Okay, officer, there are two ways to go about it. I can use anybody's BVN to create another account, and that will be the no trace account. Alternatively, I can transfer the money into somebody else's account. I can just ask for your account number, you give it to me, and I transfer the money to it. And it is the person that will be sought after, not me. So that is how we do it, officer.
All this intelligence would have been better used in the betterment of the society. It's so sad that you are using yours to commit crime everywhere. Now, to everybody that is watching this video, take note and report missing or stolen phone immediately to the police and to your bank. Also, notify your network provider to block your SIM card immediately to avoid stories that touch. Another key security measure you have to take is to share this video. Share it, let it go viral so that everybody would be warned and they will not fall victim of this new SIM card format. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye everyone.